So, one more question, Aaron. So, what should buyers expect when negotiating minor repairs?
Hmm. Well, we're going to focus on the multi-board residential real estate 7.0 contract. We're not talking about new construction, land purchases, or anything else. Um, which land purchase you want to have. Minor repairs. The contract, if it's a paragraph 12, not a 36 as is, um, it's the contract specifically has language that says if it's the request, it's for an item that's still functioning with past its useful life. We shouldn't be asking for it anyways, but that happens. Be reasonable. What is reasonable? We always joke in law school that we can't define that, but it's be reasonable. If it's a GFCI outlet, I see people wanting $700 for one. You know what? If that really costs 700, I should not be pricing law and I should go back and become an electrician. You know, think about if you were in the seller's position and somebody sent you a letter for $700 for a GFCI outlet. Don't be, let's not be asking for toilet seats to be replaced. Think about reasonableness because seller doesn't have to go forward with you at this point. They can still go on to somebody else. Just because the market has changed doesn't mean the seller needs to sell you their house. They'll just wait for another offer. So think about we refer to them as health and safety items.
Yeah.
If the electrical panel is going to most likely catch on fire after we close, probably asking for that. And honestly, probably don't need to ask for GFCI outlets. That's my opinion. Ask for the things that you really need somebody to come and take care of. Because a handyman or a non-IBEW electrician, not anti-IBEW, hire the IBEW electrician to replace your electrical panel. A regular handyman or electrician can replace your GFCIs. If there's a crack in the sidewalk, probably don't ask for that. We want to ask for legitimate, hardcore, actual items on the report and be reasonable about our request.
Yeah, good points. All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate all of your input. It's always valuable.
Always enjoy working with you, Kathy.